What's up, everybody? Back here with a quick break video, actually. Just doing some Donruss. I opened 9 of these blasters off camera because we're a little bit past Donruss at this point in the season. What I did was I picked out the fat packs. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the packs, obviously, with all the meme cards. Or auto, right? Mem card, we'll assume. 9 of those, just going to open those up real quick. When I opened the 9, the Anthony Edwards came out about on average. Seemed to be a little light on the LaMelos though. So hopefully out of these, and again, they're from 9 different blasters, but hopefully we spot a Melo in one of these as well. It's a nice mem card maybe. We're not too concerned about the base, obviously. Let's see if we can do better with hiding the mem card until it comes along. So it's a couple cards back. We got a Booker. Got a Great Expectations, RJ Hampton. Not bad. Kenny Martin Jr. And Elijah Hughes. All right, here we go. Oh, we see his face already. That's Bradley Beal, right? The enclosed game-worn material is guaranteed by Panini America. Bradley Beal, not too bad. That's actually one of the better ones I've gotten. Usually, in the past, I've gotten a couple junk rookies. No complaints about them being rookies and all, but Bradley Beal's a baller, as you know. All right, pack number 2. Let's get to the mem card. Oh, we got an orange. All right, so let's go ahead and get that one out first. What's that? Surge! Skylar Mays. Saben Lee. We got the 2 with Surge. There we go, Malik Monk. That's more like it. Pack number 3. MVP. Nkongwu. Grant Riller. I flashed it a couple times. You probably already have seen it. Who is that? That's got to be Dennis Schroeder. Yeah. You saw the DS there, so you knew it was Dennis Schroeder. See what Magic said about him recently? Number 4. Filming this video on June 9th. You'll probably see it a couple weeks after, but Magic had some not so flattering things to say about Mr. Schroeder. I never thought he was that bad of a player. But obviously we don't know about what goes on behind closed doors. There we go. Nice Ant-Man, Anthony Edwards. Definitely set that one aside. Emmanuel Quickly. Cool, nice. Zeke Nanji. I keep flashing the card, so you guys probably already see it before it even comes out, right? All right, what do we got? Oh, upside down. RJ. M. RJ. RJ. That can't be what I'm thinking. Oh, Reggie Jackson. I guess I would have rather have had what I was thinking. I was like, again, I haven't checked the checklist. I was like, oh, there's no way they slipped a Richard Jefferson in here. I guess you might actually rather have a Richard Jefferson than a Reggie Jackson. No offense to Mr. Jackson and all. So far, Bradley Beal's our winner at this point. Our leader, I should say. Nice Deni. Great expectations. Rated rookies are Pritchard and Tyrese Maxey. Not too bad. We'll take that for sure. I try not to show too much of the hair because you can often tell by MM. Is that going to be another Malik Monk? Jesus. They're Malik Monking me to death. Got any Malik Monk fans that are willing to pay about $50 for each of those? You know, just drop me a message. 4 more to go. We've got another orange back there. Oh, banger! Marvin Bagley. That's CJ Ellaby. I think you saw the jersey series already. And a Nico Mannion. You know, I really hardly hit any LeBrons out of all of the packs I opened of this. Hit a lot of KD, though. Keep flashing that jersey series. It's a Hawk. Oh, no, it's a Rocket. CD. Clyde Drexler? Nice. Nice. Clyde Drexler. We'll take that. Might have to get status over Bradley Beal. Clyde Drexler. Nice. Huh. Beautiful. Looks good, too. But that absolute banger right there is a banger. That is 9 blasters worth of money recouped right there with 1 banger. All right, we got 3 more to go, guys. Great expectations. Who do we got? Is that Killian? Yes, it is. Mr. Hayes. Nice. Obi Toppin. Boom. There we go. Another Ant-Man. Excellent. There you see the Edwards. Centering is off a little bit. Looks like a little chunkier on this side here. Almost every single Edwards I had was off on the centering. Surfaces looked clean. There were no other issues there, but centering. Let's get to that base. No, I think I flexed it already. Raptor OG. I think you know who that is. And they got OGA, so OG Anunoby. Not bad. Beats a double Malik Monk any day of the week. 2 more to go, guys. Got a great expectations there. Nesmith. Isaiah Stewart. Devin Vassell. We just need that Malik Monk base card to send us home happy. Mr. Zubac. Oh. PEW. PEW. The Knicks. That's Patrick Ewing. Haha. As I said, I haven't checked the checklist. I didn't know that they threw the old school players in there. So that's why I was surprised to see that Drexler. And then this Ewing as well. So not bad. Patrick Ewing. We will take that. No more Malik Monk. That's for sure. All right. Down to our last one here. Let's see if we can go out with a LaMelo. That's what I said. I pulled, I think I've opened about, let's say about 12 of these. And I got 3 LaMelos. 3 LaMelos. I was super light on the LaMelos, but I got 7 Anthony Edwards. So, Orange Laser, Kemba Walker, Poku, and Isaiah Stewart. Huh, I didn't, usually they don't come like that. Interesting. All right, there he is, the man, Donovan Mitchell. The one who hasn't been the man up through game 2, Chris Middleton. Brogdon. And a nice Nikola action shot. I actually finally hid one from you guys. All right, so let's see who we got here. LBD. LB. Larry Bird. Yes, nice. Beautiful jersey series, Larry Bird. I know those probably don't have that much value, but I love the legends. Let's do a quick recap. So let's get the Ant-Man here. Got the Great Expectations Edwards and Emmanuel Quickly. Got the Deni Great Expectations, and for the jersey series, let's go from, in my opinion, worst to best. And it's a tough call here. Definitely a tough call, but definitely coming in at number 9 and 8. Going from worst to best, that's a double Malik Monk. Number 7, this might be debatable. Between 7, 8, 9, that's Reggie Jackson. Number 6, we'll go with Schroeder. In his own mind, he's probably up there at number 1. Number 5, OG. Number 4, Bradley Beal. But he's working his way up the list for sure. Number 3, tough call, but I will go with Ewing. And number 2, the Glide. You can swap those, definitely. But number 1 for sure, Larry Legend. All right, thanks for watching, everybody. Like I said, that was just 9 of the mem card packs out of Blasters of Donruss. So I wanted to set those aside and just open those later on camera for fun. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. Take care and be well.